they cause on society. In another news, in a shocking turn of events in the Clarendon mass shooting, another suspect, ladies and gentlemen, has been caught by the awesome team of the JCF. But I am telling you now, I know all I know forward well, because right now, couple of you are already dead. Uno go run in. And guess what? Uno lose uno strength. Because all ABC, NBC, CNN, and everybody are foreign a report on this heinous mass shooting in a Jamaica. Uno know. So when our foreign newspaper pick it up, because the Jamaican Prime Minister has reported that this is an international clique. You are guarantee this is an international clique. This is a clique that stems across the water in a foreign, the land of Bahrain. This is a clique that's behind bars. So if we continue to play these human rights game, me don't know what we are trying to get if it's a human rights film with these fools, and I give them cellular phone where some people are road can't afford for use a jail so they can have a communication link. Me not say nothing make prisoners or inmates have phone. Yeah, the one with the on the wall. The prison phone. You are guarantee I'm making PR $500 a minute for use it. So when him get pan it, I don't know, bag a long chatting and stacking and planning and make sure that prison phone is being recorded. The law enforcement officers from the Area 3 Major Investigation Division have captured another suspect in the relation to the mass killing at Cherry Tree Lane, footpath, Clarendon on Sunday, August 11. He has been identified as Linton White, otherwise called Bones, of Maypen in the parish. Listen, I wish I didn't born on a fine. Reports are that White attended a police station in the parish reporting on condition of bail on a previous case of shooting and was identified and held by the police. Rotted! Me wonder if they just fling this pan this youth now. Investigations continue into the tragic gun attack that resulted in the loss of 8 lives and injured 9 more people when rifle-toting gunmen opened fire indiscriminately on persons onto a social gathering close proximity to each other in the Cherry Tree Lane community. The security force have since been ongoing with their investigation, but them I go all out to bring those who's responsible to justice. And there are now 6 people in custody. 2 guns have been recovered, and 1 prime suspect was fatally shot during a reported confrontation with the police. People, me want to feel overstand say, if you live in a community and live in a community of fear, you don't need to show about the bad man them. You don't have too much cellular phone now. You video and call and tell and inform on your brother and sister and friend and girlfriend. So why you not do it to the bad man them? Yeah, me know you see what the Rasta say. Listen. I give information. You might can call me an informer, every vlogger, every news reporter, every newspaper. We work with information. Listen, you cannot continue to live the life of a victim. Uno cannot continue to live the life of a victim. Any boy we a cause uno harm, him fi gone. Me tell you, in a 2004, me and badness are no friend no more. You are gone T. Me have it 119. Yeah, program, one button me call. Andrew Holness and the JCF, the Parliament, even the PNP, some of the paper them scared. You can't blame government. People have sense now. You can see. See, people will look like you and me are caused the violence and the tragedy in a Jamaica. As mothers scream and mourn and bawl and cry their eye dry, I cannot understand why we continue. Why so many people, innocent especially, have to die in a Jamaica? Because I cannot see what a 61-year-old and a 64-year-old can do a 17-year-old for him to leave and come back and come wet them up like him named Sprinkler. If we stop the idiotness and with premeditated situation like this, boy neck forget quick. So when the next boy try it or think about it, him know say him life we done. Murdering people and going to jail for 10 and 15 years done. That is the problem. That's why they have to give them such a small time, because half of Jamaica would be in prison. Imagine a 17-year-old take out 2 elder, and here you have Cherry Tree, Clarendon, man a roll up and a wet up 17 in a sweet Jamaica. You don't know say them ya news of the England and America and Canada. The United States have issued a travel warning for the southern parishes. Jamaica have curfewed the southern parishes. The paper them afraid. The security force are out there and brave. And you deserve better Jamaica. You deserve a safer Jamaica. You deserve to live in the land of paradise. And not just tourists will come a yard for feel Jamaica nice. Because it seems like it's cold. It's cold. So don't mess with the tourists. Don't mash up the #1 money. But you can quang me, you, and everybody. All the baby pan breast them a lick off now. Them not just sing it. Them a do it. Imagine. That's why when a boy come tell me say them bad man tune a art, me tell them a fart. You are gonna take. Because people take on art. You are gonna take. Living, is life. And you can live life in accordance to an artistic way, but when you're proliferating pure violence and crime on the people in the airwaves, especially when they poor and them daddy not there next door, what you think they're gonna do? And when some people break out of this bondage of poverty and them couldn't help them father and them mommy, you know what them do? They send them toll if it destabilize my economy. Why don't we think of teaming up? Everybody a war, everybody from me born. PNP against JLP. Dog a fight. Boy. Police against bad man. I just war we a war. Why don't we gather together for a better Jamaica? Why don't we show the Western world how to unify? We're supposed to be Egypt in America. But guess what? Are we own blood or we are kill and slaughter? We spread pure violence and crime through our art. That's why I pull up that European lady. Because I cannot tell, I don't know of any female artists right now in the industry from Jamaica that's singing anything conscious, that's uplifting, not even them man them. Up here quanging, up here Mali, up here who? Me go around and this and with Dolly. I what really go on in the world, Jamaica? I when I do Jamaica, 17 get pepper. And them youth are young. Young people. Up here little people them here. People, young youth. If you no want handle truly, be a legal thugs. Go be a police, go be a soldier. How what do you know? Them man they quang boy. But you know put on yourself on the losing end. And that's a badness go. A sadness you a grow. Cause how you think it a go end? Either the law quang you or a bad man quang you. Or what kind of idiot decision my families and friends them are dealing? Yo Tom, I want to send this for y'all like Jamaicans them, cause right now my lord me terribly perturbed. A 6th person have been caught. We're not satisfied with that until people get extradited from overseas. Me not care if it's out or not. Because Andrew Holness came out bold and said it's a multifaceted organization linked to the US, overseas, and in the prison system. So me want to know who them a talk about linking our prison system. And me want to know if that person I get more charges. And me want to know how you know. Me need some transparency. Because at the end of the day, only if it take away every cellular phone, only if it put in a new prison phone system, and that system needs to be recorded totally. Only don't ramp with me man, and ramp with Jamaican people like them as some dolly. A years, pan top of years. And me here and I come make promise and swear crime is gonna go down. You can't sleep with your door open. And right now, those words seems like they weren't spoken. Andrew Holness, I applaud the compassion that you have shown to the families. And I see that you are trying. But the people of Jamaica, it no look like say they want no better. The people of Jamaica who no tired of seeing these mothers cry. The people of Jamaica who no tired of seeing no brother and no innocent sisters them die. Me I tell you no, a 119 me I work with. Don't ramp with me. Nobody in I illegality. Cause right now me is Jamaica's law-abiding citizen. Me I lead by example. Or I sample. Yeah. Me not in the war, me not in the violence, me not in the illegality. Me in a long life and prosperity. For my brother and my sisters them. Everything what me wish for me I wish for you. Me I wish for he, she and the old lady. You organ man, woman and child. You give you 1 point, 1 life. Me don't talk about 3 points. That's why I don't go on, so. I don't know where I'll get the next point them. But at this time, people, me ask Jamaica to be wise. You don't have to team up with the police to keep on the street safe. Other than that, the police them can't do nothing. The police them can't do nothing. Mothers, tell your sons them are two-way. The right way or the wrong way. You auntie? Fathers, tell your daughters, don't you stray. Cause them people are animal. The criminal mind of Jamaica spreading. As people civilize and modernize, it seems like we're pan our own sorrow we're feeding. Imagine 17. And the government that say, boy, you're overseas and in a prison, the man them there set it. Right now, So you tell me, say you have man in a prison where you can't control. You can't stop from the crime. And that the government tell me, you know. You have man in a Jamaica prison where you send order out a road for make people get hurt and injured. And the government tell me, say them no, and then can't stop it. So how you gonna stop crime out the road? How you gonna stop man from flaring for infiltrate my community and organize crime rampant in my community? How you gonna stop it? If you know a man in a prison, an organized thing. Listen, people may change on to the next story, you know, because I'll get a little bit upset right now, you know, because what am I tell me a joke thing? What am I tell me a joke thing?